This is a great shelving unit as long as you keep several things in mind about the weight distribution, which I'll go over here in a bit, but before that we need to unbox this and set it up. Be careful while cutting the tape not to scratch up the shelf. Once you do open the box unfolds, allowing easy access to the shelf. Everything is well packaged. The legs are zip tied to the shelves. Some of the zip ties may break during shipping. This has happened on several of the shelving units I have tested. This doesn't mean you got a used product. On top of the shelf, you have a bag with the manual assembly instructions and wall attachment, along with separate baggies of the sleeves for each shelf. The legs on the shelving unit are easily adjustable. The sleeves that go on the legs and hold up the shelf have arrows pointing the way up, and the shelf will have a larger opening on one side and a smaller one on the other. I checked this ahead of time to know which way is up for the shelves. Next, I attach 4 of the sleeves to the legs and line the legs up so I know for sure the first shelf will be level. Once I know all that, I put the first shelf on the side and slide the legs in from the bottom. Once all 4 legs were slid through, I flip the shelf right side up. From here on, it gets very simple. You can either count the notches on the legs or use a tape measure to get the shelves at the exact distance you want. Then attach the next 4 sleeves, slide in the shelf from the top, and repeat. I didn't put the legs together right away so that it was easier to get the first 2 shelves on. Then I attached the top part of the leg and kept going. So overall, this is a great shelf and it's very sturdy. But I do think when they say 350 pounds per shelf evenly distributed, they mean exactly even all the way around, covering the full shelf exactly. See what happens when I press in just one spot in the middle? Just something to keep in mind. If you're realistic about what it can handle, it's a great shelf. I've been using it for over a month and it's sturdy and I've had no issues.